Have you ever noticed that the moon looks different every night? Sometimes it is a big, bright circle, and sometimes it is just a thin sliver. These changes are called the phases of the moon. But the moon itself does not change its shape. What we see is just a shadow and light. The moon does not produce its own light. It reflects the light of the sun, just like a mirror. The moon travels around the earth in a circle. As it moves, the sun shines on different parts of the moon. Depending on where the moon is, we see more or less of the side that is lit by the sun. The cycle starts with the new moon. This is when the moon is between the earth and the sun. The side that is lit is facing away from us, so the moon looks dark. Then, we see a crescent moon, which looks like a banana. After about 2 weeks, we see a full moon. This is when the earth is between the sun and the moon. We can see the entire side of the moon that is illuminated. After the full moon, the light begins to wane, or get smaller, until it returns to the new moon again. The whole cycle takes about 29.5 days. This is where we get the idea of a month. Shutterstock. The moon also affects the Earth's oceans. The moon's gravity pulls on the water, creating tides. This is why the sea level goes up and down twice a day. For thousands of years, people used the moon to keep track of time. Farmers used the phases of the moon to know when to plant their crops. Even today, the moon remains a beautiful and important part of our night sky, a constant neighbor in space. Reading comprehension questions. True or false, the moon produces its own light just like a star. True or false, a full cycle of the moon's phases takes about 29.5 days. True or false, the moon's gravity is responsible for the tides in the ocean.